Driving traffic to your site. It ain't easy. You can't use a cane and grab them and pull them in. You can't club them over the head to get their attention.
Let's say I'm a new company selling pet supplies. I have a website, but I'm not being shown in any of the searches. How do I get found?
Pay-per-click is one of the best ways to compete in your target market. In its simplest form, you bid on a phrase, in your case,
Pet supplies.
Your ad shows when a user conducts a search with your phrase, and they click on your ad and visit your website.
Sounds easy, right? This is what we'll be covering in this episode.
Thanks for joining PPC Quickies, short educational videos to help better manage your pay-per-click account. Google AdWords and Bing ads are pay-per-click advertisements,
Shortened to PPC.
on the search engine result pages.
Sometimes referred to as SERPs. S-E-R-P-S.
These ads can also be displayed on Search Network partner sites, which are sites that have agreed to show ads on their pages.
Originally only offered as short text ads, now PPC has been expanded to a variety of options to include display, shopping, video, mobile, dynamic, and remarketing ads. Most people are familiar with the SERPs, which list pages organically,
Or naturally.
in order of importance to the search phrase. This list is calculated with a very complicated search algorithm using over 200 variables.
Despite being clearly marked as ads or sponsored, many users do not realize that the top results are usually paid advertisements that have been placed through a bidding system.
It is important to realize even if your website is perfectly ranked first organically, there's a huge likelihood that at least 3 of your competitors are listed above your website in the SERPs.
What are they more likely to click on, organic or paid?
Well, not surprisingly, the truth lies somewhere between the two opposing views. A study by Meditative was conducted in 2014 using a small pool of searches. It revealed that interaction with elements on the SERPs was largely dependent upon the intent of the searcher.
SERPs are more fluid now and can display visual elements such as map listings, graphs, and images. This pushes down the organic text listings because that's all they are.
So what that means is it's no longer enough to show up naturally in the results. Using PPC ads helps to ensure your site is found.
As with anything, there is a risk involved when using pay-per-click advertising.
Difficult to keep up with. Search algorithms and tools are constantly changing. It can be challenging for someone that works in it on a daily basis to keep up with the changes. If you only dabble in it part-time, these changes can quickly become frustrating, or you'll surely be missing opportunities. Targeting wrong traffic. PPC platforms are set up to have the most generic match possible to your phrases as a default. This results in very loose matches. Pet supplies can now match searches such as pet store, free supplies, or office supplies. This results in a lot of traffic that you're paying for, but not the traffic you want.
No defined goal. If you do not know what you want your visitors to do on your site and don't have goal tracking set up, you would be forced to use the default metrics in the ad accounts, which are geared towards getting the most traffic rather than the best traffic. To get the most out of your pay-per-click account, goal tracking is mandatory.
Costly if not done right. With over 4 billion searches per day on Google and almost 900 million on Bing, an inexperienced PPC manager can cost your company thousands of dollars very quickly, with little or nothing to show for it.
Many companies get burned in this manner, and because of the bad experience, determine that AdWords isn't for them or that it doesn't work, when in fact it can work for them if properly managed.
We have many years of experience with PPC and maintain Google AdWords and Bing Ads certifications to give you peace of mind.
We offer several competitively priced service packages that fit the needs and budgets of most businesses, with custom quotes available for companies that require more.
Request an appointment to see how we can help you bring better traffic to your site.
If you do plan to try PPC in-house, be prepared to spend a lot of time learning and managing the account in order to achieve good results.
It's not impossible, but it does require effort.
Best of luck!